It goes on your wrist.
Yesterday, I have those cookies with my yesterday. I have those cookies with my yesterday, Mommy.
Well, we'll just put it on for a little bit.
You want to just try it on, see if it fits?
Okay, have that cookie with my yesterday. A chocolate chip cookie we made yesterday.
Let's stand up for a second.
You see how Daddy has one?
Come here. Oh. Ah, there you go. Here, I'll show you. I'll show you how you can put it on. Here, all you do is put your wrist right here. See?
Oh, me.
Here, it goes like this.
Oh, that looks very pretty. That's a neat bracelet.
Yeah, let's put this. Let's get this down.
Oh, Corinne.
Ooh. Well, don't say that. It's so pretty.